Okay, I'm going to show you how to add NE4ST into your ID-51A. It'll be similar to the 5100 since they use similar menus. So what you need to do is basically be in DR mode by pushing the bottom button. So if your radio looks like this or like this, hit the DR mode, get the to and from, and then you can hit dual down here just to make it just be, that's all you see. So what you want to do is hit from, make sure that's highlighted there, and then hit the blue button, and then hit repeater list, and then you should have the repeater groups. We're going to put this under Northeast because that's where Kentucky resides in the existing database. So I'm going to click into that, and then I have the list of all the cities that the repeaters are in, including we've got Lexington and all that in here. But what we're going to do at this point is hit the quick button, and we're going to choose add. Now we're going to leave it as a DV repeater, and then we're going to click into the name here and call it as you wish. And then I think, yeah, you can make it lowercase by hitting the quick button, if however you want to do it. So just bear with me here. I'm just going to call it George. I'll go in and fix it later. But you can call it Georgetown, whatever you want. And then when you're done, click out of that. Subname, this is typically used for the state. Again, you can put the state in there however you wish. It's not going to break anything from working. This is more important. You get down to call sign. There you need to put NE4ST space C for the 2-meter module. So basically that last character here, just space to the right till you can't go no more, and then put your C in and hit the center button twice. It's going to populate the gateway, which is the same call sign with a G, so you're good there. The group should default to the Northeast since we started from there. Use from, I guess you can leave that as no. I'm not 100% sure of the use of that. And then click into frequency and hit the center button. Turn the knob, and you will start then putting in 146.685. Okay. And then duplex is negative. Position, we have that available, and that will make it useful for pulling it back up if you want by your GPS. So in there we can change that to exact or approximate, doesn't matter. And then go down to latitude, and that's going to be for NE4ST, that's going to be 3816.81 north, and then longitude is going to be 34.13, and that's going to be west. UTC offset, I believe that's going to be -5 hours for us right now. That brings us to local time. And then you can say add right. Add right, yes. And now it's stored in there. Now basically what you can do from your DR mode is click into from, select near repeaters. You can choose just to show DV repeaters. And now, and you gotta have your GPS on for this. Now Georgetown shows up there. You can click it. It's loaded, NE4ST. It's got the frequency. And then you can go ahead and WX4 GPS. You can go ahead and use the repeater. Now if you want to, from here, you can go in here and do an echo test. WX4 GPS. DStar allows you to repeat back.
WX4 GPS.
Alright, so that's working. And then if I want to connect to a reflector, I can say to Charlie. Actually, let's do, let's do 30 Charlie. WX4 GPS.
Link to REF030 Charlie.
Okay, so now we're linked and we can go back to use a repeater under your call sign and you'll be talking. And if you want to unlink, of course, you can go in there and unlink. WX4 GPS.
Not linked.
Okay, that's all I have to share with you. Enjoy.